Is it the right time to make a decision on Google stock? In this video, we're going to delve deep into Google. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, February 16, 2024. And now, we'll provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Stay informed about any critical updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI today and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from February 15, 2024, our system has identified Google as a sell candidate, with a score of -4.47. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock witnessed a loss of -1.51%. This means that, on average, it has been experiencing a daily loss of -0.76% since it was designated as a sell candidate. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential 10.54% change in the next 3 months. This means you could see a return between 10.54% and 23.44%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a 45.67% change in the next year. This could lead to a return between 41.45% and 61.95%. In terms of price, it could range from $200.51 to $229.58 after a year. Today's update on Google brings us a headline: Red Day on Friday for Google stock after losing 1.51%. On Friday, February 16, 2024, the Google stock price experienced a decline of 1.51%, dropping from $143.94 to $141.76. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.07%, reaching a low of $141.53 and a high of $144.46. While the price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days, it still remains down by 1.24% for this period. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased along with the stock, which is generally a positive sign as volume tends to follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 5 million shares, with a total of 22 million shares bought and sold, equivalent to approximately $3.08 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of Google stock was $155.20, while the lowest price was $88.86. Currently, the stock price is 8.66% or $13.44 below its 52-week high, and 94.39% or $2,385.23 below the all-time high on June 11, 2021, when it reached $2,526.99. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, January 25, 2024, Wedbush gave a sell grade to Google with an upgrade action. On Wednesday, October 25, 2023, Needham gave a buy grade to Google with a hold action. On Wednesday, July 26, 2023, Susquehanna gave a positive grade to Google with a hold action. On Wednesday, July 26, 2023, KeyBank gave an overweight grade to Google with a hold action. On Wednesday, May 24, 2023, JMP Securities gave a market outperform grade to Google with a hold action. Analysts have unanimously given Google stock a strong buy rating. They have assigned a strong buy rating to the PE ratio and price to book. When it comes to return on investment, the stock also receives a strong buy rating from analysts. Today, we'll be discussing the signals identified for Google stock. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals for Google. In fact, both short and long-term moving averages indicate sell signals, suggesting a more negative outlook for the stock. If there are any upward corrections, the stock may encounter resistance at the price levels of $146.48 and $145.28. However, if the stock manages to break above these levels, it could issue buy signals. On Monday, January 29, 2024, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a decline of -8.45% so far. This indicates that the stock may continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is identified. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. It's worth noting that volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day. This reduction in volume aligns with the price movements, which helps reduce overall risk. Today, let's explore some interesting signals in the stock market. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal 15 days ago. Bollinger Bands gave a buy signal 15 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal 3 days ago. Now, let's take a closer look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average confirms a sell signal 5 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average shows a buy signal 43 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 230 days ago. If you want to discover more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop-loss for Google. Google currently has a support level at $138.62. This means that there is a strong accumulation of buying activity at this price point. If the stock price were to test this support level, it could potentially present a buying opportunity as we may see an upward reaction. When it comes to risk, Google has average movements throughout the day. With good trading volume, the risk level is considered to be medium. On the last trading day, the stock moved $2.94 between its highest and lowest points, representing a 2.07% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 1.8%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Google, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. In the case of Google, the PE ratio is within the normal range, which is often observed in companies with established track records or predictable revenues. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q1 2024 is scheduled for April 23, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at $1.48 per share. It's important to keep a close eye on these numbers, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Google. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $141.80. If you're not already invested, it might be wise to wait for the stock to breach this level before entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a good level to consider for swing trading. On the other hand, if the stock experiences a downward trend, it will encounter its first support level at $138.62. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point for traders, as we anticipate a potential rebound. The average rating for Google from multiple analyst sources is strong buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On December 31, 2023, Chavez R. Martin sold 0 shares of Class C Google stock units. On December 31, 2023, Chavez R. Martin sold 0 shares of Class C Capital stock. On December 31, 2023, Chavez R. Martin sold 0 shares of Class C Google stock units. On December 31, 2023, Shriram Kavitark Ram sold 0 shares of Class C Capital stock. On December 31, 2023, Shriram Kavitark Ram bought 0 shares of Class C Capital stock. We've analyzed the 100 most recent insider trades and calculated the insider power ratio to be 11.369, which indicates a positive trend. Overall, insiders have purchased 768,922 shares and sold 618,474 shares in the last 100 trades. We have evaluated this stock and unfortunately, our analysis is negative. It is important to note that no stop loss has been set for this stock. Is Google stock a good buy? Despite the positive trend, the Google stock currently holds several negative signals which lead us to believe that it will perform weakly in the near future. Therefore, we have a negative evaluation of this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued. When trading resumes on Tuesday, February 20th, we expect Google to open up with a gain of 82 cents and start trading at $142.58. Before we begin, it is important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It is always recommended to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept personal responsibility for your investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We want to hear from you, so make sure to comment below and share your thoughts. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. Our team wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day.